At the starting of semester, we were assigned an actuating system project to control linear position with the help of stepper DC motor. For component selection, we use Arduino Nano as a microcontroller, LCD with I2C module for displaying input-output, potentiometer as a input, PVC boxes for project base, 12 volt 1 ampere power supply, DC stepper motor for motion, A4988 stepper motor driver, an ultrasonic sensor as a feedback sensor, lead screw with mountings for converting rotatory motion into linear motion, some cable ties and screws, smooth rods and some 3D printed parts. Now let's explain its working. We used a potentiometer as an input. If we rotate it, we will give the input as 0 to 24 centimeter displacement, and we also used an I2C display where we show input and output, input distance and our output distance. We used two smooth rods which will guide the motion, and we also uses a threaded rod which will convert angular displacement into linear displacement. In here we attached an ultrasonic sensor which will give us feedback in every displacement, and we also used a NEMA 17 stepper DC motor which will create an angular displacement which will be converted into linear displacement by threaded rod, and we also used 3D printed parts for as a support, and we also used an PVC box which as a base. We used 12 volt 1 ampere power supply to power up our project, and also for live calibration we added a scale so we can compare is our required input is displacement, and we used a controller Arduino Nano, and for the displaying we use I2C16 display, and we use power conversion which will convert step signals and direction signals. We used A49 stepper motor driver. We used 12 volt 1 ampere power supply, and the conversion power will be PWM stepper signals which will be given to actuator NEMA 17 motor which will give us the displacement output, and we also attached a sensor, ultrasonic sensor, which will give us the feedback as to check is our required input is equal to desired output.